This video is for the burnt out girlies who are ready to reclaim their peace once and for good. I help busy women organize their lives and wellness plans to enjoy a well nourished life. My first tip for you is to set an alarm about 30 minutes to 45 minutes before your projected getting ready for bedtime, just so that you can tell your mind it's time to start thinking about unwinding. It can be very easy to just go, go, go. And then by the end of the day, you're just crashing because you haven't given yourself that space to slow down. So, my first tip for you is to set an alarm. You can put unwind or bedtime. That's something I did for a long time just to help me start turning off my brain from work mode to unwind mode. When you set that alarm, you're going to go ahead and take 5 to 10 minutes to plan your next day. If you watched my first video of our 90-day Well Nourished Era series, I go into this a little bit deeper why you want to plan your day, and I encourage you to go back and watch that after you watch this so you can get a deeper understanding. But you're going to take 5 to 10 minutes to plan your next day. Not only are you organizing your mind before bed, but you're organizing your next day. So it's a win win. Your mind gets to be clear and peaceful for bed. You can wake up confident in the plan you made for yourself the night before. My final tip is to bless yourself with a nourishing nighttime routine. That can look different for everyone. Self care looks different for everyone. But for me, it is my skincare, it is taking care of myself, it is washing my body, and also reading, sometimes doing knitting, or normally it's either knitting or crocheting, or knitting or reading for me. I haven't mastered the crochet yet, but you want to just nourish yourself. That window before you go to sleep is so precious in preparing your mind for the next day and to prepare you for a good night's of rest. So if you work to the end and you don't give yourself unwind time, you might find it really hard to fall asleep. You might find it hard to focus. Then you end up staying up all night. Then you doom scroll. Does that sound familiar? Believe me, girl, I know. So there's your 3 tips to your evening routine hacks to stay organized and how to unwind. If you are enjoying this series, make sure you are following so that you can stay up with the 90-day Well Nourished Era series. And if you're ready to bounce back from burnout, I invite you to watch my Bounce Back from Burnout class. You will get a super packed digital health and wellness bundle that will help you feel fit and feel good. I'm so happy to see you there, and I'll see you in the next one.